In my culture,
The Black Panther has been the protector of Wakanda for generations.
death is not the end. It's more of a stepping off point.
A mantle passed from warrior to warrior.
You reach out with both hands and Bast and Sekhmet. They lead you into the green veldt where you can run forever.
But now, because your friend murdered my father, I also wear the mantle of king.
He is with us. And it is your time
Baba,
to be king.
I give to you Prince T'Challa.
I'm sorry. Stand up. You are a king. I am not ready to be without you. I want to be a great king, Baba. Just like you. A man who has not prepared his children for his own death has failed as a father. Have I ever failed you? Never.
Do not tell me what is possible. Tell me the truth.
Some truths are too much to bear.
Y'all sitting up here comfortable. Must feel good.
It is not your choice to make.
What happened?
Ask me, King.
No. I promised the king to say nothing. He killed his own brother and left a child behind. With nothing. Take him away. What do you want?
I want the throne.
You have become them. You will destroy the world, Wakanda included.
The world took everything away from me.
I never freeze.
Who are you?
I am Prince T'Challa, son of King T'Chaka.
Maybe we can still heal you.
So you can just lock me up.
Gilman! Wakanda forever!